My name is Joshua Adibun. I'm a certified Microsoft trainer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AG Tech House. On today's agenda, I would show you how to recover unsaved Microsoft Word files. So without talking much and wasting much time, I would share my screen so that we can get started. So I believe you can see my screen now. Right, so the first step is to, for example, you're working on a Microsoft Word document and then you have not saved it. However, your system went off, maybe due to low power on the system, or maybe your system, you're using a desktop without a UPS. So the power was cut short and then the system went off. However, you've not saved your work. So I would show you steps on how to recover those unsaved Microsoft Word files. So number one that I would show you is you can search for auto recovered files. So first thing you need to do is to, let's say, go to your file explorer. You can do Windows E to get it opened, right? Or you can just, if you have it saved on the taskbar here, you can just click on it here. You can either use Window E, the window button on your keyboard, and then E, letter E. You hold down the window button and then you click on E. It should open up the file explorer. So I would go, let's say I would go to this PC here and then go to where the drive where my OS is installed. I click on this and then I go to my name, to users first, right? You can see my name, so I go to users first and then I can see my name here, Joshua Adibun. I double click on this and then I look for app data. So sometimes you might not see this app data, right? As you can see, the folder is not as bold as others, right? You might not see it. So you can come to view here. I'm using Windows 11. So you can come to view here and then go to show, and then select the hidden items. However, on Windows 10 and other, let's say Windows 8, you can just click on the tab key, the Alt rather, not tab, alternate key on your keyboard, and then it shows these icons, all the icons here become active, and then you see view, and you can click on it to show hidden folders. So I have my hidden folders shown here, selected. So I have app data. So I'll double click on app data and then go double click on roaming and then look for Microsoft Word, or Microsoft rather. I click on Microsoft here and then I search for Word. I go to W and I see Word here. So here I see, as you can see here, you have all unsaved files, and then you can see auto recovery saved document. And Microsoft put this in place because they know that sometimes for countries where power supply is not stable, or you're working and then you forgot, you're carried away, engrossed in your daily job, and then you forgot to save the files you're working on, right? You know that these kind of things would definitely happen. So Microsoft put this in place to be able to recover the unsaved Microsoft Word files. So you have all the files here. You have auto recovery save of document 1, auto recovery save of document 2, and then you have questions. You have all of them. So let's say I worked on a particular file, let's say yesterday, which is the 9th of October. I have one from the 8th here. As you can see, the date, it says 8th of October 2023 at 4:50 p.m. So I can also check this. This is 6th of October. This is 6th of October. This is 27th of August, yeah. And then this one should be from, okay, July. This is July. Okay, this is May, and this is 4th of October. So this is the most recent, which is the 8th of October. So I double click on this, right? And then everything comes up. So I have a list of scholarships that are available. So I did not save this file, and then this file went this file my system went up, and then I lost this file. So that's one method of doing this, right? And then another method is to, I'll close this out, is to I'll close the file explorer out too. The second method is to, same way, Windows E to open up the file explorer. I go to this PC, double click on drive C, and then go to users, double click on my name here, go to app data, go to local, right? Go to local, and then I come to Microsoft. From Microsoft, I search for Office. Yeah, Office. And then from Office, I go to unsaved files. So let me see, I have Office 16 here. So let's see if I have that here. Okay, so depending on the version of Office you have, you should see unsaved files, like a folder called unsaved files. However, it's not in here, so I don't have that on my own. But I think this should be on Windows 8, Windows 7, and then maybe Windows 10 too. But for Windows 11, this is not that folder is not available. Let me check that hidden folders are checked. Yes, it's checked here. So I yeah, that's another method. So depending on the Office version you're using, you should check that, right? That's if the first option, the first method I showed you did not work, right? So I will show you another method through the Microsoft Word application itself. So all you need to do is to open up a Microsoft Word, a blank page, right? And then go to File and go to Info. As you can see here, you have Info here. And then you go to, you see on the Info page, right? You see Protect Documents, Check for Issues, Version History, and then you can also see Manage Document. So click on Manage Document, and then it brings out, it pops up on that box, a dialog box that says either you recover unsaved document or you delete unsaved documents. So the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to recover unsaved documents. So I click on recover unsaved document, and then takes me, remember, it takes me back to that folder where I have the first method I went through, right? And then it shows me all unsaved Microsoft Word document. And then I have them here, and then I double click on any of them to open them. And let's say I want this, so it should show me all these, right? So yeah, that's another method. So I will show you another method, right? I'll open up the third method, or the fourth method now, is to open up Microsoft Word document again, and then open up a new or blank document. Then click on File, click on Open, and then click on Browse. Okay, so in the file types, right? In the file types on the right, so I can here, which is here, I would select all files. right? Depending on where the default location where you save your files, your Word files. So I change mine every now and then. However, for now, as you can see, my OneDrive is selected here. So all I need to do is to come here, the file types here, and then select all files. And when I do that, right, I can go through the folder if this is my default location where I have always saved my my Microsoft Word files, right? And then I can go through, if it's listed here, I can go through here, and then all I need to do is to right click and then select open, right? Just like it, but this is not a Word file, so I don't have anyone here, right? So you just right click on the Word file and then click on open, and then the file opens. And then you can also search for Word documents, right? You can search for backup documents. You can do, you can search for backup documents also. So I would close out this Word document and open it again. Yeah, I'll open it again. So I go to a new blank document, right? I go to, let's say, file, and then I go to options here at the bottom here, and then I go to advanced, right? I have advanced. So you have the menu here: general, display, proofing, save, language, accessibility, advanced, custom ribbon, quick access toolbar, add-ins, trust center. So I click on advanced here, and then I scroll down where I see I should see automatically create backup files. So this is even the beginning. For you to have backup files created for you, you need to also come to this place and do one or two settings. So let's see where this is. Let's see here. So bear with me, we'll go through this gently so that we can see this. Yeah. So we should see always create backup copy. Create backup copy. So let's see. Yeah, save. So you have it here. So you can decide. For mine, it's not even turned on, right? It's not even turned on. However, Microsoft still creates backup copy for me. So you can check this and then click on OK to always create backup copies for you. And that's another method. So one of the other methods is for you to check the recycle bin, right? You can check the recycle bin to see that, to check if the files are in there, right? The files are in there in the recycle bin. Yeah. So let me click on the start menu. Let's search for recycle bin. My desktop is hidden, so recycle bin. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Recycle. Okay, yeah, you know how to find your recycle bin, so you can it's on the desktop. I don't want to show my desktop. Right, I have a lot of PII information there, so you can check your recycle bin and then to check for recovered unsaved file document. And then we have looked at going through the file explorer, going to app data, to the root or the source where these unsaved Word documents are kept. We have gone through Microsoft Word, gone through the option of Microsoft Word to check for unsaved files, and then we have also gone through the process of searching for unsaved documents, right? So I would say at this point, thank you very much for listening to me and then for watching my video tutorial, right? You can follow all the steps I've listed out on how to recover your unsaved Microsoft files. And then please do not forget to like this video, also subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification button so that you can be notified for every new video that is dropping. Also, do not forget to share the video with other of your colleagues that might need this video in case they lose or they feel they have lost their unsaved Microsoft Word document. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.